Calculating frequency is a common task. You'll need it if you're doing some research, statistical analysis, or just want to categorize data at work. There are two ways in which you can calculate frequency in Excel. One is using the frequency function and the other is using the COUNTIFS function. We will look at both in this video. We have this data on number of flights delayed for 100 days. We need to create a frequency table for the given ranges of flight delays. If you look at this data 0 to 10, 10 to 20, till 40 to 50, it's not written as a text in one column. This is written in three columns D, E and F. Using some clever formatting, we've made each range look like as if it's written in one cell. The reason for distributing this in different columns is so that we can use the lower and upper limit values in our formulas. Let's start with the frequency function first. We will write the frequency function in cell G4. Frequency. The first parameter it expects is data array. Our data is the range B2 to B101. This is the data on number of delays each day. The next parameter is called bins array. Here it requires the details of upper limit. So ideally we should provide the range F4 to F8, but you will soon discover that this is not exactly true. But for now, I'm going to provide F4 to F8. And that's it. I get the frequency values. You'll see that I have this additional 0 in row 9. This is for any data items that may be greater than 50. The frequency function by default provides the number of values greater than the last upper interval. Since we know that for our example we only want data till the range 40 to 50, we will make a minor change to the formula. We will select the bins array only till F7. Let's do that. Since it automatically provides for data greater than the value 40, we get the data for the range 40 to 50 in any case. Since we saw the values above 50 was 0, we can be sure that the count of 17 is between 40 and 50 and not for data beyond 50. So that's the frequency function. I'm using the Excel 365 version, therefore the function works smoothly. If you're using Excel 2019 or an older version, then you would need to first select all the cells from G4 to G8 and write the formula in the cell G4. And instead of pressing enter, you'll need to press Ctrl Shift Enter. However, because Excel 365 has the dynamic arrays, we don't need to do all that. Now that we've seen the frequency function, let's move to COUNTIFS. We'll write the COUNTIFS function in the cell H4. We need to count the value if two conditions are true. First, the values are greater than the lower limit. Second, they are less than or equal to the upper limit. So let's write COUNTIFS. Criteria range 1 is B2 to B101. Fix the reference. Criteria is greater than the lower range, which is D4. So we will write greater than symbol in double quotes. Use the AND or ampersand operator and then compare it with D4. Excel will resolve this phrase as greater than 0. 0 because that's the value in the cell D4. Similarly, for the criteria range 2, we will provide the same range B2 to B101. Fix the reference. The criteria will be less than equal to in double quotes, followed by the AND or ampersand operator and then F4, which is the upper limit. Close the bracket and enter. We get the value as 23. Copy the formula and we get the same values as the frequency function. So that's how you use either the frequency function or the COUNTIFS function. You can use whichever method you find easier. If you found the content useful and would like to see more such content, then please subscribe to our channel. This will help you find us easily. Thanks for watching.